Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of a Canon Pixma MG7751. Now, this is nice and simple, can done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, the home icon will be lit over here, press that and you'll be taken here. Now we start by swiping to the right until setup is there. We press to go into that. Then at the bottom of the setup menu you have estimated ink levels. And once we click into that, we have a breakdown of black, grey, yellow, photo black, cyan and magenta, showing how much ink the printer thinks it has left within. Now it's important to note that this is very much an estimate, and even when the printer thinks the ink cartridges are empty, there still should be a little bit inside, either sloshing about or retained in the sponges within them. Any print quality issues should never be down to ink within a cartridge physically running out. So if you're checking the ink levels due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, I'd recommend checking out our test page and print head cleaning videos that we also have for this machine. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, take care and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.